Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Spice Series episode number 7. In this episode, let us make tea masala, a symphony of spices that elevates our daily brew to make a perfect blend of comfort and warmth in a teacup. To make this tea masala, take half cup of cardamom with its exotic aroma and digestive properties. Cardamom adds a touch of sweetness to your cup. Take 2 tablespoons of ginger powder. This is a powerhouse of antioxidants and adds warmth and soothes the stomach. Take 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. The sweet and spicy aroma of cinnamon tantalizes the senses and regulates your blood sugar levels. Take 2 tablespoons of cloves. These tiny buds pack a punch with their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, promoting oral health. Take 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. The subtle licorice flavor or palate cleanses and relieves bloating. Take 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. This has such a bold flavor and boosts immunity. Now it's time to bring all these spices together in harmony by blending them together in a mixer until you achieve a very fine powder consistency. Now the tea powder is ready to infuse your tea with warmth, flavor and dash of wellness. To make a warm cup of tea, in a saucepan combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. Add 1/4 teaspoon of this homemade tea masala powder crafted with all love and flavor packed spices. Stir in 2 teaspoons of tea powder as well, ensuring it's well mixed. Allow the mixture to come to a gentle boil over very medium heat. Once it reaches a boil, switch off the heat and cover the saucepan. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes to allow the flavors to melt and develop inside. After steeping, carefully filter the tea into a teapot to remove any residue. Add sugar to taste, stir until it is dissolved. Pour into your favorite teacup, inhale the aromatic bliss and savor the comforting warmth of this homemade spice tea. Hope you loved this video. Meet you in another video. Until then, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.